Hi guys, I hope you all are super, keeping well with the best of the spirit for today's session. In the morning session, I have taught you how to find a rank of the word cat. In that session, we understood that we have to find all the possible words by using all the letters of this word CAT, and you go on hunting for your required word, and the position at which your required word was there, it was the rank of the word cat. However, in the exam, you will be given some bigger word having 5 letters, 6 letters or more. If a word is given of 5 letters or 6 letters and this method is not suitable, it consumes much of our time. For that, what to do is, there is another logical method by which we can find a rank of such words. Now let us consider to find a rank of the word Sachin. And you already know what do you mean by rank of a word. Rank of a word is nothing but the position of this word when you arrange all the possible words frame form using all the letters of this given word Sachin. And let's try to find the rank of this word Sachin in our logical method. Here we have to understand the order of each letter in the dictionary. As we know, in the dictionary, out of these letters, A comes first. And then the next letter to come in the dictionary order is C. The next letter to come in the dictionary order is H, next is I, next is N, and next is S. If I have to find my word Sachin, the dictionary will not start from S. In the dictionary, we all know that the words will begin from A. Now I have to find how many such words can be framed by keeping your A in the first position. Let's see. Let's fix A in the first position. A in the first position. Then how many letters are left out? Leaving this A, there are 5 more letters left, and these 5 letters can be filled in 5 different ways. So the total number of words that can be having A in the first position is 5 factorial, which is equals to 120 different words. There are 120 different words which are beginning from A, but I am hunting for the word Sachin, and it can definitely be it cannot be there in the list of word number 1 to 120. So now I have to go for the second session, which will begin with C, and keeping C in the first position, and there are 5 more letters. Similarly, we can arrange these 5 letters again in 5 factorial ways. This is equals to 120. So there were 120 words beginning from A in which there was no Sachin. There are yet again 120 words beginning with C. There is no Sachin, for which I am searching for. Means from 1 to 120 plus 120 and 240 words are exhausted, but there is no Sachin yet. And after this C, in the order of dictionary, the next letter to come is H. So how many words can be framed by keeping H in the first position? Similarly, we can have 5 different ways, that is equals to 5 factorial, which is again equals to 120. So there are again 120 more words after A and C where Sachin will not come. So my word Sachin is after 360. And what is the next letter again after this H in the dictionary order? It is I. Keeping I in the first place, again it will have 5 factorial is equals to 120. So 120 plus 120 plus 120 plus 120, totally 480 words are exhausted. There is no Sachin from the beginning. The next letter to come in the dictionary order is N. And again, keeping N in the first place, we can arrange the remaining letters in 5 factorial ways. That is equals to 120. So totally now there are 600 words are exhausted. There are 600 words are exhausted. If at all you want to arrange all the letters of this word Sachin however you want, and how many letters are here? There are 6 letters. Therefore the total number of different words I can get from by using all these letters of the word Sachin is 6 factorial is equals to 720. I mean to say we can have total of 720 different words by using all the letters of the word Sachin. And out of these 720 from 1, 2, 3 and so on, totally we have 720 different words that we can frame from all the letters of the word Sachin. And out of this 720, somewhere your word Sachin is positioned. And that is what we are trying to find. Until here we understood from word number 1 to word number 600, we did not find Sachin. Now the next session is the word starting from S. Okay. Now if I place S in the first position and I want word Sachin. In the Sachin, what is the next letter? Next letter is A. Of course, out of all these letters, the first letter to come is A only. After S, out of all these letters in the dictionary order, the first letter to come is A. And S is fixed, A is fixed. Out of these 4 letters, which is the next letter to come? It is C. So write this C, which is a part of my required word Sachin. And after S is exhausted, A is exhausted, C is exhausted, out of this remaining 3 letters, and which letter has to come after? Which letter has to come first? It is H. Similarly, after H, I has to come, and the last letter remained is N. And this is your word Sachin, which is very next after these 600 words. Therefore, your Sachin lies rank of Sachin is 600 words are already exhausted, and the next letter after 600, that is first letter after 600 is Sachin. Therefore, the position of the word Sachin is 601, which is the rank of the word Sachin.